Gas prices continue to fall across the country. AAA says the national average for a regular gallon of gas is now $2.12. But in the most populous state, California, people are paying some of the nation's highest prices. A consumer watch group says California drivers are being taken for a ride. Here's Carter Evans.
Even though gas prices in California are $1 a gallon cheaper than they were this time last year, a consumer group says drivers are still being ripped off.
This is the Golden State gouge at its full luster.
Jamie Court, president of Consumer Watchdog, says the evidence is in the difference between wholesale and retail prices. Today in Los Angeles, oil companies are selling each other gas at $1.26 a gallon, one of the lowest prices in the nation. But the average price at the pump is $2.69 a gallon, one of the highest prices in the nation.
If we have the lowest wholesale price for gasoline, we should also have the lowest retail price for gasoline.
In a statement, the trade group that represents oil companies in the western U.S. said repeated investigations and independent analysis have consistently demonstrated that market factors are the primary driver of fuel costs in California. Consumer Watchdog accuses oil companies of limiting the amount of gasoline they refine to keep retail prices high, and points to a recent remark from an oil company CEO on an earnings call as proof.
The bottom line is there's too much clean product. And the only way you can solve that problem is by reducing the amount of clean product that you make.
They can make enough. They choose not to. I think that's absolutely clear from this quote.
But GasBuddy.com's Patrick DeHaan isn't so sure.
The nature in California may breed some what you could call less competitive marketplace, where there are less refiners, there may be slightly less competition, and that probably does contribute to slightly higher prices.
But you don't think it's price manipulation?
Based on the way the market has moved and watching numbers every day, I wouldn't call it manipulation.
Market analysts say it can take up to a month for lower wholesale prices to trickle down here to the pump. But Rena, in the meantime, California's Attorney General is investigating.
Okay, Carter, thanks.